Okay, so today I'm going to discuss about quadratic equation. So again, quadratic polynomial ang tawag natin sa x squared minus 4x plus 4. Kaya siya tinawag na quadratic because yung pinaka mataas na exponent or yung degree of polynomial is 2. Naintindihan? So, kailan natin matatawag na quadratic equation? So, for example, we have here x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. So, quadratic equation siya, equation because we can see here an equal sign. Okay, and then quadratic kasi ulit yung degree of polynomial or yung highest exponent is 2. Okay? Okay. So, sa quadratic equation, meron tayong tinatawag na standard form. So, ang standard form natin is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Where, meron tayong restriction na dapat daw yung a natin must not be equal to 0. So, hindi pwedeng maging 0 yung value ng a natin. Bakit? Okay, so let's try. Paano kapag naging 0 nga yung a natin? So, magiging 0 x squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, kapag 0, yung numerical coefficient natin sa first term, maka-cancel out yan. Okay? And matitira na lang is bx plus c. Kapag ito na lang yung natira, hindi na natin siya matatawag na quadratic equation. Okay? Kaya hindi pwedeng maging 0 yung a natin or yung value ng a kasi nga hindi na siya magiging quadratic equation. Okay? Okay, so this time let us try to find the values of a, b, and c. So given number 1, we have 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. So, i-check muna natin kung yung given equation is a quadratic equation. So, since ang pinakamataas na degree of the degree of a polynomial is 2, tama na quadratic equation to. And then, next step natin, i-check natin kung naka-standard form ba yung equation. Kasi, kailangan ilagay muna natin siya sa standard form para malaman natin yung values ng a, b, and c. So, since we have here in the form of standard form, kasi diba yung standard form natin is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, ibig sabihin yung number 1 is naka-standard form na siya. So, we can identify the values of a, b, and c. So, ito yung first term, yun yung a natin. Ano ba yung numerical coefficient ng 2x squared? We have here a. And then next, sa second term, dun manggagaling yung b. Yung b is 5. And then next, sa c natin, we have here negative 3. Okay, lagi natin tatandaan na yung sign nito is yung katabi. Okay, so we have here negative 3. Okay? Okay, so let us have example number 2. So, given 3x times the quantity of x minus 2 is equal to 10. So, pwede nating malaman na quadratic equation siya if we're going to arrange it into standard form. So, ang gagawin natin, halata naman na hindi pa siya naka-standard form kasi hindi pa naka-equate sa 0. So, 3x times x, the answer will be 3x squared. And then, 3x times negative 2, the answer is negative 6x. Is equal to 10. Ang goal natin is maging 0 ito. So, using APE, so gagamitin natin yung APE. So, ano ba yung idadagdag natin sa 10 para maging 0? Diba? Negative 10. So, kung nag-add tayo ng negative 10 sa right side, we should add also negative 10 sa left side. So, we have here 3x squared minus 6x minus 10 is equal to 10 minus 10. Okay? So, pwede na natin makancel to kasi ang magiging sagot is 0. So, ang final answer natin sa standard form is 3x squared minus 6x minus 10 is equal to 0. Since may standard form na, we can now get the values of A, B, and C. So, yung A natin manggagaling sa first term, which is 3. Yung B manggagaling sa second term, kasama tong negative. So, we have negative 6. And then lastly, ang C natin is negative 10. Okay? Okay. So, example number 3. So, we have here the quantity of 2x plus 5 times the quantity of x minus 1 is equal to negative 6. So, let us change first it again to standard form. So, using FOIL method, so 2x times x, we have here 2x squared. Next, 2x times negative 1, we have negative 2x. And then 5 times x, we have 5x. And then lastly, we have 5 times negative 1 is negative 5 is equal to negative 6. Combining similar terms, ito yung similar terms, we have 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 is equal to negative 6. Ang goal natin is maging 0 yun nandito. So, ano ba yung i-add natin sa negative 6 para maging 0? So, we need to add positive 6 para makancel to. So, kung ano ulit yung in-add natin sa right side, yun ulit yung i-add natin sa left side using APE. So, 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 plus 6 is equal to negative 6 plus 6. So, magiging 0 na to. Combine similar terms ulit. So, we have 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So, yung A natin, manggagaling dito sa first term. So, 2. B sa second term, 3. And then sa C, we have 1.